just made everything taste so much better. Then we had a smart idea.
Enak itu. Mantap banget ini. Oysters nih.
Some raw
Wih,
oysters.
mantap banget itu.
You know what? Movies lie.
10 ringgit
It
doang
was
itu. Mantap ya.
Like the ginger sauce it came with was it.
Currently 11 o'clock at night and this place is packed.
Kalau mau ke sana nggak usah makan dulu.
Biar lapar semua.
Iya, biar lapar.
Dinner and
It's
then
really true what they say in Malaysia. You don't get a choice.
Apa itu?
You
Kambing?
just have to eat. Kambing apa?
Kambing.
How?
Kambing kan?
Oh,
Kambing.
kambing.
Wih,
Hanging out
mantap itu.
the smell of this.
Kambing asap cuy.
Kambing golak.
Skewer.
10 ringgit, yeah?
Nah, 10 ringgit masih masuk,
This one was
masih
made out of
masuk
real fruits and it
kantong.
was watermelon, mango and dragon fruit. And let me tell you, it was very nice.
Campur
Wih,
gitu.
campur itu tadi.
Bisa ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di Indoriek TV. Masih bersama saya Bang Anton dan
Evi, jadi berita.
oke.
Indoriek TV.
Ya, hari ini kita bakal lihat video-video menarik lagi tentang Malaysia. Jadi kalau kali ini kita bakal lihat Jalan Alor di Kuala Lumpur.
Jangan alor.
Iya, Jalan Alor itu kayak jalan yang isinya makanan-makanan. Cuman malam dia ramenya, kayak pasar malam makanan street food gitu ya. Karena itu di pusat kota, jadi banyak banget wisatawan-wisatawan yang mencoba makanan di street food yang dia ada di Jalan Alor
Jalan
gitu.
Alor.
Banyak makanan-makanannya. Aku juga pernah ke Jalan Alor itu. Memang rame banget kalau malam. Nah, kita bakal lihat ya reaksi-reaksi orang asing ini yang pertama kali datang ke Jalan Alor. Bagaimanakah reaksi mereka? Yuk. Indoriek. Everything we eat at the Jalan Alor Street Food Market in KL. Oke, siap.
Jalan Alor Street Food Market here in
Tuh, kayak gitu,
Malaysia.
Bella.
So here is everything.
Ini masih sore ini.
Yeah, we don't want spicy.
Apa ini?
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll
ini
get pork please.
Kue.
babi.
Oh.
Ada juga yang non halal soalnya di sana. Jadi harus hati-hati sih sebenarnya.
Was it mango and dragon fruit?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
What's the best seller?
Dimsum.
Golden and spinach, please.
Okay, I'm getting one of
Tepok
these
juga itu tadi.
Chinese pancakes. It's too hard for me to record and eat this, but it is so yummy.
Yum.
Oh, enak tuh.
Itu apa?
That's like
Mango
1,000
sticky
pancakes.
rice.
April, they're really
Enak.
huge. Oh, no, thank you.
Apa itu
Apa
tadi?
itu?
Alright, now we've got some barbecued prawn.
Quickie.
Worth $20.
Not worth it, but still very good.
One strawberry, please.
Kue.
Strawberry, coklat. Wih, mantap itu.
Favorite, I love this.
Rambut.
Favorite fruit in the world. This is a rambutan.
Rambutan.
Like can't get them anywhere in Australia. They're so
Orang
expensive.
Australia.
It's like a lychee, but so much better.
Nom 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 nom.
We're at the Jalan.
Tapi memang ada yang nggak halal, ada yang jual pork ya, banyak yang jual di sana. Cuman memang harus hati-hati sih. Kita lihat.
Ya karena kan pengunjungan kebanyakan
Iya.
juga kan
Mhm.
dari luar, dari luar negeri.
Not everything is meant to be eaten. Malaysia's food scene is wild,
Wah, ini kalau malam ya.
multi-ethnic, affordable, and halal friendly, which is why you have to hit up the food streets. First off, we had something I've never had before.
Kok gemuk-gemuk
Udang.
ya?
They stir-fried it in some spicy hot sauce. Like, it was
Bisa
so
gemuk gitu udangnya.
freaking
Iya.
good. For me, it's way better than lobster or crab. Then we had some squid, which is my all-time favorite seafood, which you can never go wrong with. But the sauce that they
Squid.
used, guys, the
Sotong.
chawi is the sauce. Like, just made everything taste so much better. Then we had a smart idea.
Ini
to try
enak itu. Mantap banget ini. Oysters nih.
some raw
Wih,
oysters.
mantap banget itu.
You know what? Movies lie.
10 ringgit
It
doang
was
itu. Mantap ya.
Like the ginger sauce it came with was it helped, but from now on I'll only be having oyster cooked the Zanzibar way because To wash away the gooey oyster, we got some Thai coconut ice cream and Korean fried ice cream for dessert. The coconut ice cream was definitely better, I thought the Korean fried ice cream was too sweet and it was just doing too much for me. We finished off the night with some squid and crab takoyaki bowls.
Tapi
I'm
aku-
obsessed and I have no idea what they
Apa ya?
even
Apa
made
pengen itu tadi
of. So
dulu?
not everything was perfect,
Kamu
but
udah
the
pernah ke
experience
situ,
was
kan?
definitely
Oyster, ya.
worth it.
Terus
If
apa
you've
yang kamu
ever
beli?
tried raw oysters, please
Lupa
defend
aku.
yourself.
Aku pengen oysternya tuh, Ed. Kayaknya enak banget oysternya itu. Oyster sama udangnya tadi, gemuk-gemuk gitu ya.
Ini adalah salah satu spot yang dikunjungi
Nah,
orang
ini orang
Indonesia
Indonesia,
kalau datang ke KL. Selamat datang di Jalan
Oh,
Alor,
rame
spot
banget
kuliner
ya.
yang
Iya,
setiap kali
rame
malam
banget
datang
kalau
suasananya
dia.
langsung berubah total. Lampu-lampu neon nyala, suara wajan, grill, dan obrolan orang-orang dari berbagai negara bercampur jadi satu.
Pop
Aroma
itu.
makanannya itu gabungan antara seafood, sate yang baru dibakar,
Ini
tom yum,
nih.
sampai dessert warna-warni yang bikin kamu penasaran. Jalan Alor ini juga termasuk spot wajib
tuh
kalau
oyster.
orang Indonesia datang ke KL, entah yang baru pertama kali atau yang udah sering. Tapi yang perlu diingat, pilihan makanannya tuh campur banget. Ada yang halal, ada juga
Iya,
yang halal.
ini
Jadi
yang nggak
buat yang
halal.
Muslim memang harus lebih teliti. Lihat logo halal, perhatikan stall yang terpisah atau tanya langsung biar aman. Yang bikin Jalan Alor menarik bukan cuma makanannya, tapi energinya. Suasananya kayak nggak pernah tidur. Dan meski kadang terlalu rame,
Ini
tempat
tengah
selalu
malam loh
berhasil
tutupnya.
bikin kamu merasa
Iya kan?
dekat
Iya.
dengan jiwa kota KL itu sendiri. Aku penasaran deh,
Jam
buat
12,
kalian
jam
warga
1.
Malaysia, kalian juga sering kesini nggak sih?
Rame banget kan?
Apa
Itu
banget
memang
tuh.
spot tempat salah satu spot yang wajib dikunjungi sih kalau
Kalau ke sana.
kalau ke KL, ke Jalan Alor. Jalan Alor, Bukit Bintang itu bagus.
Aku mau ke situ, tempat makanan. Surga makanan.
I'm on the Jalan Alor food street in Malaysia, and it is a whole street just full of food. Little kebab action. Currently 11 o'clock at night, and this place is packed.
Kalau mau ke sana nggak usah makan dulu.
There you go.
Biar lapar semua.
Iya, biar lapar.
Some dinner and then a nice
Biar banyak
little
kita
massage right
makanin,
after.
cicip-cicipin.
It's kind of popping off here. It's so nice to see people out and about in a city. I feel like back home in Denver, I couldn't just walk around a city like this at night. Like it would just be kind of purposeless.
Denver City.
They got durian everywhere. I already tried it. It was terrible. It smells as bad as everyone says it does. I got some fried jackfruit because I've never heard of that before.
Fried
And
jackfruit tuh
Try it.
nangka
I had
goreng.
to buy a second one because I dropped it on the
Nangka
ground.
goreng. Bukan nangka.
Lamb skewer. One of these toasted marshmallow ice creams.
Nah, ini anak-anak marshmallow.
Look at that.
Iya, kalau ke
I'm not
sana,
really a fan of this one. Kind of a weird dessert.
kalau ke sana harus nggak usah makan dulu, biar semuanya bisa dicobain kan, biar nggak kenyang.
Cobain dikit-dikit aja, habis itu bawa pulang. Udah makan. Biar semuanya kebeli.
Tapi aku masih pengen banget oyster itu. Apa rasa oyster itu di sana? Kayaknya enak banget itu. Jarang kan yang jual di sini.
Oh, oh. Jarang emang.
It's really true what they say in Malaysia. You don't get a choice.
Apa itu?
You just
Kambing?
have to eat.
Kambing apa?
Kambing,
How?
kambing kan? Kambing. Wih,
And you know
mantap itu.
the smell of this.
Kambing asap sih.
Kambing golek.
We're not even hungry, but I think we have to try some.
Wah, enak banget ini.
Look at this.
Wah,
Barbecue. Yes, please. Thank you.
itu enak banget tuh dagingnya itu pasti.
Barbecue lamb.
Hmm.
And there we have it. There you go.
Thank you. Right, I seen barbecue lamb
See, you can see it from where we're sitting.
and lots of smoke and stuff coming off it, right? But
Dikasih apa? Telur ya?
Telur.
The lamb.
it smells really sweet. I like the look of the lamb, but what the hell is that? It looks like a mashed potato and gravy, but it actually smells like a mashed potato and gravy. Definitely not potato. It has the consistency of a fried marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
I'm bailing out. I'm bailing out.
It's worth
Apa
noting
itu?
that
Bukan
we've
telur
just
itu.
had dinner, so we're not actually hungry.
telur
We have
katanya
to
tadi.
try it.
Smells really good. A little bit sweet, that, but I wasn't expecting it to have like a sauce on it, you know. Yeah, it is nice. The meat is really good. But I think whatever I've tasted a second ago, that first thing, the side has changed me for life. But I like the meat though.
So it's
Ya
2
enak lah
o'clock
pasti
in the
dagingnya.
morning.
Daging kambing
Excellent
guling
stuff.
gitu.
And the place is jammers. Look at this. We love it.
KK Mart.
Kids everywhere. There was a kid
Itu jagung bakar
helping
tadi.
his nanny in the
Aku jagung
restaurant
bakar.
Iya.
that we were sitting at. And he was just helping her prepare the food. We're gonna get through all these restaurants. It's
Rame banget ini
impossible.
kalau malam.
I can't control this man. He's losing his mind. We're not even in Malaysia 24 hours.
Tiap malam.
Enggak lah.
2 a.m. Like this is quiet now. Look at it. It's full of people.
Ya nggak semua pasti.
And look at these little weird desserts. They have little hats on them. Look at the little desserts with the hats on them.
Gavin wants to stop at literally every food
Surga
stall.
makanan.
We've had dinner, we've had lamb, we've had dessert.
That's the dish that I'd like to try for my breakfast. Isn't it mad getting like a wok
The hot dish. Yeah. Oh, there's your grilled lamb chops.
Ini
We
tadi
couldn't
oyster.
possibly eat more food. We
Grilled lamb
couldn't.
chop.
Grill lamb chops. Wih, ini enak juga ini.
Are we getting one?
I would just get one for the roll.
Anaknya diem aja di situ, dikasih iPad diem aja dia.
Mak bapaknya makan.
Iya.
Kuliner.
Dia ngeliatin handphone aja. Tapi gitu oke juga ya, bawa anak biar diam. Tapi anaknya kasihan juga ya, nggak apa namanya,
Apa nggak makan kayak ikut
bukan
makan.
nggak ikut makan, nggak
Menikmati.
menikmati suasana jadinya.
Ya emang dunia dia kan biasanya kan di situ di layar itu dunia mereka itu.
We're at Jalan Alor checking out the food scene here. It's the first time that my husband has been here, and I'm so excited to share with him all the weird and wonderful things that we might come
Ya
across.
kalau orang-orang bule tuh pasti jajanan-jajanan kayak gini kan asing untuk dia kan, belum pernah pasti dia makan kayak gini. Jadi excited banget. Tuh, piting ketam itu. Ini enak juga nih kayaknya seafood tiger. Dimsum.
Apa itu?
Thank you.
Entah.
Enak itu pedas kayaknya.
Itu roti yang kayak kamu bikin itu kali.
Iya. Tapi kayak lebih
We're
enak.
at Jalan Alor.
Tetap aja aku kambing guling sama
Oyster.
oyster dua itu yang pengen aku coba kalau ke Jalan Alor nanti.
Aku semuanya pengen coba. Yang halal ya guys maksudnya. Enggak, pokoknya aku mau beli satu-satu, aku makan dikit, udah masukin lagi, aku beli biar semuanya beli terus baru di rumah makan habis.
Jalan Alor is a tourist trap. Local mostly will never go there because the prices are crazy high. Oh, mahal Jalan Alor. You need to check out Taman Kaunok, Malaysia longest night market too. Oh ya, Taman Kaunok tuh yang jual samyang kemarin tuh di Taman Kaunok itu, samyang omelet samyang itu. Itu juga kayaknya rame juga kan ya. Tapi memang sih kalau di Jalan Alor tuh sudah banyak turis, jadi mungkin ya
Pasti harganya juga
ya meroket ya, wajar lah.
sesuai yang datangnya gitu.
Here's a night market experience in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia that you shouldn't miss. This is Jalan Alor Food Street, and this is the most famous and I think the longest
Apa itu?
food street in Kuala Lumpur. We regret going here on our last day in Kuala Lumpur because we weren't able to try all the street food here. Everything we ordered are so good and affordable. This food street is a mix of Malaysian, Thailand, Vietnam,
Jagung.
Singaporean
Jagung.
dishes, and many more. It's a super long street and so many people are going here, especially tourists. Just look at their seafood choices.
Tapi
It's
ini
so
kan
good. They also have shops in
Iya,
between
murah.
like this where you can
Tapi
buy
iya ya.
groceries and pasalubong. They have
Ada
lots
yang
of
15
retail
kan,
options, so you
10
can
tadi.
definitely choose what you like. Their prices here are also lower compared to the ones that we went to. I highly recommend getting these tiramisu chocolates from Burials. So yeah, if you're going to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia soon and you love a good food, don't
Mungkin-
miss out adding Jalan Alor Food Street on your
Mungkin ini
itinerary.
dia karena dibandingkan dengan
Yang di luar.
ya di luar Jalan Alor
Jalan
itu kan
Alor.
harganya lebih murah mungkin ya. Tapi kan suasananya guys, suasananya kan beda gitu kan ya.
Ya kalau kita orang luar maksudnya.
Kalau kita orang luar pasti pengen juga.
Nyarinya yang kayak gitu kan.
Pasti kan beda banget rasanya. Jadi turis itu. Kalau orang sana mah sudah biasa.
Kalau kamu muslim dan mau kulineran di KL, ada satu info penting yang sering banget dilewatin.
Nah,
Percaya deh, ini bakal nyelamatin pengalaman makan kamu. Jadi gini, Alusri pasti masuk dalam top list destinasi kuliner kamu saat liburan ke Malaysia kan. Tempatnya rame, vibes malamnya seru banget. Tapi ada satu hal yang banyak orang baru sadar setelah nyampe sana. Gak semua makanan di Alusri itu halal. Bukan negatif ya, lebih ke nature tempatnya yang campur, ada yang halal, ada yang non-halal. Semuanya bareng di satu lorong kuliner. Dan karena suasananya heboh, kiri kanan banyak kios, kadang kita jadi gak sempat cek detailnya. Makanya kalau kamu muslim dan pengen aman saat makan, boleh banget cek sijil halal atau tanya langsung ke kedai biar tenang. Tapi kalau kamu mau yang lebih simple, literally nggak pakai mikir, geser aja dikit ke area Kampung Baru. Di sana pilihannya banyak, vibes lokal Malaysianya kerasa banget, dan mayoritas makanannya udah aman buat muslim. Mulai dari nasi lemak, sate, roti canai, sampai dessert, semuanya lengkap banget. Dan enaknya, kamu bisa kulineran tanpa ragu soal kehalalan makanan. Jadi intinya, bukan jangan ke Alo Street. Tempat itu tetap seru buat jalan-jalan atau ambil instastory. Cuma kalau mau makan, tahu infonya dulu, bikin pengalaman kamu jauh lebih enak dan nyaman. Jadi gimana pendapatmu tentang Alo Street?
Ya, betul,
atau kamu sudah pernah kuliner di Kampung Baru? Drop pendapatmu di
Kampung
komentar.
Baru juga itu, aku pernah juga Kampung Baru. Tapi siang kalau ke Kampung Baru itu memang ramai juga itu. Mending ke Kampung Baru, makanannya enak-enak dan murah-murah. Ya tergantung sih kan, sebagai turis kan pasti kita pengen ke tempat-tempat yang belum pernah kita kunjungi ya kan, nggak cuman ke Kampung Baru, Alor Street. Ya kalau mau makan ya carilah tempat yang enak, semuanya bagus-bagus kok situ.
Welcome to Jalan Alor, the street food walking street in Kuala Lumpur. It's a very touristy place, but
Itu kayak
Serabi.
Iya kayak Serabi ya.
Beda tuh.
Beda ya?
Iya.
Serabi.
Experience you shouldn't miss when in Kuala Lumpur. After exploring up and down the street and the different kind of food stalls, it was amazing to discover all the diversity. But I also realized that there weren't that many vegetarian options. Among the few I could find, I went for a Chinese one, and it was absolutely delicious. The Chinese cuisine vegetarian options I would find around Malaysia. More than the food itself, going to Jalan Alor in Kuala Lumpur is experimenting a part of the nightlife culture in the city. Send it to someone who would love this kind of experience.
Aneh juga kok muslim-muslim di situ tuh itu ada yang pakai hijab juga. Ya betul kata orang itu tadi, nggak semuanya halal karena campur orang-orang di sana kan. Jadi harus
satu.
Kita lihat juga itu ada tanda halalnya atau tanya aja langsung biar nggak salah gitu kan.
Iya, ya intinya lebih teliti lah.
Ya.
Thank you.
Lamb skewer.
10 ringgit ya?
Nah, 10 ringgit masih masuk
fruits, and it was watermelon, mango, and dragon fruit. And let me tell you, it was very nice.
Campur
itu tadi.
Bisa ya.
Nah, ini 10
Okay,
ringgit.
so I was promised that it's gonna have a nice cheese pool. What do you think of your one?
Well, it's good, yeah, tasty, yeah.
Corn dog.
I think this corn dog was overpriced, and the cheese pool was disappointing, as you can see. This place, Mon Chinese beef roti, was quite packed, as you can see. They got the chicken one and they got the beef one. This roti cost me $6.50.
Oh, ini 6.50.
What's the best night food market in Malaysia?
Enak juga tuh kayaknya rotinya. Iya. Wah. Indo diet. Nanti kalau kita ke sana kita coba Alor, terus Kampung Baru.
Ya.
Tempat makanan kuliner banyak kok kuliner situ yang enak-enak. Apalagi di daerah Terengganu, Kelantan itu enak-enak banget itu.
Aku nanti jadi gendut.
Iya, pasti jadi gendut. Aku aja pulang dari Malaysia gendut kan. Karena dia makan terus aku nggak ngerokok di Malaysia itu.
Nah iya, udahlah kamu di Malaysia aja.
Jadinya gendut banget aku pulang dari sana. Makannya besar-besar porsinya. Oke guys, itu aja untuk video kali ini, cukup sampai di sini aja. Terima kasih untuk teman-teman yang sudah menonton video ini dari awal sampai akhir. Terima kasih juga untuk teman-teman yang sudah donasi dan support channel ini melalui QR code di video ini. Dan untuk teman-teman yang belum subscribe dulu. Jangan lupa juga di like, di share, bagikan video ini ke teman-teman kalian, ke sosial media kalian juga boleh. Mohon maaf kalau kami berdua ada salah-salah kata dan salah-salah ucap. Sampai ketemu lagi di video selanjutnya. Akhir kata, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.